Just wait. You. Oh, you're such a diva. And maybe don't. Your hair is the issue always. Okay, sit. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we've got an exciting little challenge planned. But before we get into it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, as well as turning our post notifications. We're going to start doing shout outs as well. All you have to do is comment done once you've done all that, and we will shout you out on our next video. Today, can anyone guess what we're doing?
It's gonna be not that fun for me. We
are doing Nick's makeup. Alright, so we're gonna get started. So we're gonna do a full face for our little date. We're gonna go for a little date out. Then he's gonna go out in public to our local shopping center and buy me a juice.
A juice?
Yeah. A smoothie.
Is that what you feel like?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what the baby wants. That's what the baby's gonna get. Okay. So have you cleansed?
Yes, you made me cleanse.
Okay.
What's this do? What's this do? Can you?
You should put a headband in.
No.
Don't breathe.
Why? Is it poison? You've got something in my eye.
Oh, Nick. Pinning your hair back so I don't get makeup on it.
You're not going to get makeup on
it.
My forehead is completely clear.
Close your eyes.
How many sprays are there?
So this is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. I love it actually. You can use it as a setting spray. But I do it as a bit of a prep. So 1, 2, 3. Is that calming?
Open my eyes.
Yeah. Next, we're going to use the Double Duty Beauty base tape from Tarte. So it's a primer and it's absolutely amazing. I don't have to close them. Nick, can you rest? Like, look at the lines he has. Just rest your face.
I don't have eyes. I've seen it. Isn't that what you guys do?
No.
Don't do my facial hair. Don't do my facial hair. You can't see it on there.
You will have to put a bit of makeup through here. I can't leave that.
No, just do the top half.
No, Nick, that's not how makeup works. Can you just...
It is how makeup works. I don't want...
Quiet. Just shh. Okay. Now, let's look at your complexion.
Don't put that shit on here.
It'll have to go on these bits.
No, forget here. Just do here up.
No, you're going to look weird. Can I just do your makeup?
I'm going to look weird anyway. It's going to be stupid when I'm going to have 2 little dots there.
Nick, it's not going to look bad. Just bear with me. Close your eyes.
You look on my eye though.
Yes?
On the eyeballs?
Yes.
What? Oh no, no! Don't put it on my mustache.
It has to. Can I see? Can you open up?
What do you mean can you see? You're looking right at me. This is fucked.
It comes out. Look at the camera. Just face the camera. Look at that. Fab. Close your eyes. I'm not done. Just look at me.
I am looking at you. Ah, no, not so hard.
No.
Don't worry about that.
No.
Don't worry about those 2 things.
It needs it.
It doesn't need it. Stop. Stop.
Stop it.
Stop.
Stop it! Guys, he is the most difficult client. I just really want to blend this. So
shut up. Mate, I think you're done. I think this part is finished.
Get all
that.
No! No, I have to get that!
How is this going to come off me?
It comes... Stop making your head this crease! Stop creasing!
No neck!
Okay. Okay. So,
why did you put it on my eyebrows?
It has to. I'm going to put makeup on them too. Like,
on my eyebrows?
Like I do. That's a full face of makeup. That's what you signed up for, honey. Now, okay, next is the Wake Me Up Anti-Fatigue Skin Brightening Concealer from Rimmel. So I love this one. Look up like this. Okay, up like that. Okay.
I am.
And just keep it up.
This is too much. I'm starting, my eyes are watering.
Okay, so like this. So ready? No, I'm looking at you like that. No, I'm kissing guy with makeup on. Just relax your face.
Okay.
No laughing, no smiling, no frowning, no screaming, nothing. Now we're going to use my favorite little contouring wonder stick by NYX. Contour it.
I already got a natural contour of my beard. What's this? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Come on.
Moving?
You don't have to go all the way in there.
Can you just look at me? How the hell? Nick, look at me because I've made you notice.
I don't know how much more I can look at you.
So now we're going to use the Hoola Benefit little contour. Just to contour his nose now with the powder. Actually, before we do that, because he's creasing his eyes, I'm just going to go under with the Too Faced Banana Powder. It's new, under his eyes.
The banana powder.
Okay, I'm going to make your lips look big. Just a little trick that I do. So you just like contour the lip, and it makes it look bigger. Does that look bigger?
That looks horrendous. What did you do to my lips? Do I have to go out in public like this?
Yes! This part of the...
I didn't think it'd be so confronting.
Can you come up close to the camera just so everyone can see so far what we're dealing with?
What'd you do to my lips?
Okay, back now.
See this?
Yeah, I can fix
That's
that.
shit.
Well, I can't see because you don't... Sit more back. This is like the funnest tutorial ever. I don't look that great today. It's just one of those days. But Nick, on the other hand, Nick, stop frowning. It's really bad for you. You're gonna need Botox when you grow up. Fully turn to me. Yes. Yes. This is better. Oh, it took us like half a video to figure this out.
You better be able to get this shit off, hey?
Makeup comes off. You think you're gonna be like this forever?
Well, I don't know. It feels permanent. Setting wax. No, that's too thick.
No, it's not. Close your eyes.
That's too thick. You're gonna make my eyebrows look... They're so dark!
No.
Why did you do that?
Okay, Nick, do you just want to come forward? No, like, yeah. You can look at, close your eyes at the camera. So far, what I've put on his lids is graffiti from this Remix palette. So I've put the pink. I just don't want to... That one there, where my thumb is. So that's what I've put on his eyes so far. So now I'm going to put something underneath. So come back. Come back.
This is disgusting.
No, it's not.
Can't keep my eyes open like that.
Okay, look up.
There's a light there.
Look up.
I am looking up. It's just my eyes closed.
Open your eyes for a little bit.
I can't. There's a light right in front of my eyes.
Don't move.
I have to blink. I have to... Come on.
Okay. You have to be very still for this now.
What the hell is that?
So please be still for the love of God.
You just got on my eyelashes?
Yeah, a little bit, but it's alright. It doesn't matter.
I don't think it's meant to do that.
It doesn't matter if it gets a bit on your eyelashes, Nick. So now I'm just waiting for the blue liquid to dry. Nick opened his eyes and got some at the top of his eyelid. Keep your eyes closed and go forward to the camera. So this is kind of what we're working with, guys.
What's it look like?
Look to the left.
Can I open them?
No. Okay.
Can I please open them?
Not yet. So while that's drying, we're going to work on his blush. I like to use for blush at the moment is the Too Faced Strawberry Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo. Okay, open them.
What the fuck?
Do you like it though? Do you think it's creative?
What did you do to me? What the hell is that now?
You move.
What is that?
You look like an avatar. Now time for mascara. So this is like my all-time favorite mascara. It's Better Than Sex. No, that's actually what it's called. So you have to be still and don't like blink or like just do what I say, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Do you love me?
Yeah. Ah! Ah, 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 ah.
Your eyes. Now look in the mirror. Look in the camera.
This looks ridiculous.
Do you like it though? Like on girls, you reckon it look good?
No.
Okay, so now my friends, we're going to use the Hotel Heiress.
My friends. Okay.
Bronzer. It smells like coconuts and I love that. So the next product I'm going to use is, it's brand new, so it's the Tarte Double Blush and Glow So it's a blush and highlighter. Look into the light.
Why is my nose so shiny?
Sorry, it's just getting so fun. Nick, come up close like this with me.
Are we done?
No, don't pull the faces.
Sorry.
Look to the side. Oh my god, you're fab. Okay. Like, I don't know if that's going to be too nude. I think I'm going to mix those two.
Why don't we hurry up?
Okay.
How about we do that?
You bet.
You need to get your eyebrows plucked.
I know, Nick. Now, I'm just going to go over with my favourite gloss, my Fenty Beauty one. It's actually running out. I just look so not hot for you today. Like, you just are popping.
You look like a woman. Oh,
Come
no.
back. Come back.
God.
Look down. No, do like a whole makeup thing.
How do you do a whole makeup thing?
Alright, I'm going to get the light and start posing. Look to the left. Slowly, right. No, don't move your head, just eyes down. And then like blow a kiss. Like seduce the camera.
This is fucked.
So, my beautiful finished product. Look down, Nick. Tarte colours that I use for his eyes. Get a bit closer. Just so we can show that they're absolutely amazing. Then look to the left again. And then the strobing. Like, I just think he looks fab, guys. What do you reckon? Let's blow a kiss. So we're gonna go now to the shops, to our local shopping centre. So we're gonna blow a little kiss for now. Nick, come on, blow a kiss.
I'm not blowing a kiss.
Ready?
No.
Guys, Nick, look at Nick. Check Nick out.
Can't believe I'm about to go in a shopping centre like this. This is... Oh no, no, no.
I feel like we could have gone a bit darker with the makeup. It's like not that, it's not that noticeable.
Bullshit, when someone's serving me, you don't think they're going to notice?
We are in the shopping centre. Oh, I hate this lighting.
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
Okay, where am I going? Come on.
First, do you want to walk through the food court or go around? I don't think people, oh, one guy looked at you. Don't make eye contact. Okay, so what boost do you want to get? Nick, look at me. Show us your beautiful face. Can we get a selfie? The lighting's so much better.
Oh man, it's a guy as well.
A few people are looking at you. A few people are laughing at him now.
Hey man, what do you want?
Can I get... Let's do it. Can I get a King William chocolate?
$6.90 is what I call it. Yep.
Dude, it actually looks really good in this light. You look so good. Do you like his makeup? But yeah, it is good. See? You look great.
Can we get this over with? Can we get it over with?
He wants to go home and like wash it off. Yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't realise I look like this.
Hold it up higher. Guys, he did it, I got my boost. Now Nick has to challenge me to something. This is like a good little challenge. He took it like a champ. Look at that makeup. He like, look at that glow. He like took this like a champ.
This is disgusting. Let's go.
We're looking for yogurt at the moment. They're not impressed. That guy looked back.
He did not. He did not approve of that.
The oldies are just staring at you like.
I don't think the old people's really...
They don't like it.
They don't like this, old people.
The young people don't care.
I don't like this either, but...
Okay guys, so we're going to sign off with today's video. Nick did really well with our little challenge. He like went out in public, he let me do his makeup. So you're going to have to think of something to do to me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching.
And like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Goodbye.
Bye.